Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get CapCut Pro for free, and I will also provide you the genuine information. Right, there's just so many rumors going on in the internet that you can just get CapCut Pro for free. Actually, it's not possible. You can do most of the work in the CapCut for completely free, but of course you need a pro version to, for example, to get some access to subtitles, some access to the better features and everything, right? And some as you can see here, if you want this bilingual captions, then you have to join pro. And if I just go and click on join pro, it will ask me to sign in, and after sign in I have to pay. It will ask me to get a 7-day free trial, and it will ask me for $7 per month, I think so. So this is the pro benefits of the CapCut Pro, but actually it's not possible to get for free, right? There's are several illegal ways to do it, but it's against the community guidelines, so of course I will not show you guys that. But to be honest, there's a no such thing that you can get the pro version for completely free. You can do most of the work for free, but not for completely free. I hope you found this information very useful. Subscribe.